join us,
Hi
join us,
guys, today I
join
want
us,
to invite
join us,
you to
join
learn how
us,
to
join
cook a
us.
local Kurdish dish called halal. Please join us.
700 grams of fresh meat, 2 eggplants, a spoonful of oil, 2 medium onions chopped, 100 grams of white beans and chickpeas each, which are left in water overnight until morning. 4 medium potatoes, unripe grapes as needed, half a cup of rice, salt and spices as needed. At first we fry the chopped onion, then add the meat to the onion to fry. Finely chop half a kilo of special vegetables. Cut 2 eggplants and add salt to remove the bitterness. Add the soaked beans and peas to the fried meat and onions. Add 6 bowls of water. Add salt to our ingredients. And then let it boil with water. We boil the unripe crab in a separate container. And then we crush them well. Fry some dry mint in oil. Fry the eggplants well. We add spices to our ingredients. We add chopped vegetables to our ingredients. Peel 4 potatoes and add them to our ingredients. Wash half a cup of rice and add it to our ingredients. We add the crushed unripe grapes to our ingredients. Mix our ingredients well and let it boil. And finally, we add fried eggplants to our ingredients. Okay, our hallow is ready. I hope you enjoy it.